What's up, guys? Alright, so 1 year in with the Nintendo Switch, and I gotta tell you, whoo, this baby is on fire. From the news saying that it outsold the Wii U and twice as much as the Wii itself. And the fact that this is actually outselling the PS4 and the Xbox. What's the craze about the Nintendo Switch? Well, my experience with it so far is probably because of the overall concept. Games like Skyrim, Stardew Valley, Batman, the Telltales, Doom. I mean, there's tons of variety of games out there now for the Nintendo Switch, and more to come. TV services like Hulu, and the fact that people are going crazy about this because, like, why not? It's a great design. From the fact that it's portable, dock it, it's on the screen now, console, on the go, battery life's great. They got third-party accessories that can maximize your battery too. And just cool stickers you can put on it. Stickers, what am I, 5? I seen one that had Zelda Breath of the Wild sticker, and I was like, I should get that. But what if I don't want it, and will the sticker be easy to take out? Because I don't want it forever. But I just gotta tell you, 1 year in, I'm still loving it. I go off and on with Zelda and Super Mario Odyssey, but with the variety of games that have come out for it and continue to come out for it, you can be so busy with just Nintendo Switch itself. And I don't let my kids touch it. I try not to anyways. I mean, I'm here playing it and they gravel it. And I'm like, do you want to play? Please say no. No. As you can tell, I'm still super excited about this device. After 1 year usage, I would still highly recommend this device. Just for casual gaming, hardcore gaming, travel gaming, just have it in your house. It's a freaking fun time, it really is. But that's kind of like my 1 year I'm still using the Switch kind of video. If you have any questions about the Switch, or let me know in the comments which games you're playing, so that way I can maybe look into playing them and whatnot. So talk to me. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video.